Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw an elephant. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line that curves down and to the right. A long and gentle bump to the curve of the nose, and turning back upward at the end like so. Add a tusk here with a line going down and curving very slightly upward. Rounding at the tip, going back up while tapering out, with a rounded top like so. At the bottom, draw a line curving up to the tusk for the rest of the trunk shape. For the ear, extend the line at the top with a bump that goes way out here, rounds down and back, then makes a sharper turn and ends with a slightly wavy line here. Draw a line going from the tusk to the ear like so for the chin. From the top area of the ear, draw a curved line going to the right, rounding out to the back, turning down, and bending slightly inward at the bottom like so. Following that, start a line here going down, with a bump to the left for the thigh, and a flat bottom for the foot. For the front leg, draw a line curving downward from the bottom of the ear, a flat bottom for the foot, and a line going up and flaring out at the top to finish the front leg. For the belly, draw a slightly curved line between the legs like so. And draw the legs on the other side with two big backwards L-shaped lines here and here. Then, for the tail, draw a line hanging down off the back, and a similar line underneath that shows it's wider towards the base of the tail. Add a small curved teardrop shape at the end with a tuft of fur on the tail. And don't forget to dot the eye. To add some more detail, draw some arches on the feet for the toes. And a short line at the tip of the trunk for the hole. For some texture, draw some short perpendicular lines along the front of the trunk for the wrinkles, and 3 short perpendicular lines on the legs where the knees bend. Add 2 short lines on the belly by the legs here and here. And lastly, a short wavy curved line at the top of the ear like so. And now you've got an elephant.